The River and Environmental Management Cooperation (REMCO) initiative was comprehended and endorsed at the Transboundary Water Management Conference held in Germany in 2009 to enhance management of the Incomanti used by South Africa, Mozambique and Swaziland and the fetched by the Germany and Netherlands. The REMCO initiative is a collaboration framework between operational water management institutions in the three riparian countries with a primary focus on the Incomanti River Basin. Speaking during the official opening of the 4th International REMCO Conference, the Minister for Natural Resources and Energy, Jabulile Mashwama, said the three countries have a long history of cooperation.
As countries sharing common water courses, we've established a number of platforms such as the Tripartite Permanent Technical Committee, which is called the TPTC, Joint Water Commissions, JWCs, and have also initiated joint projects such as the Progressive Realization of the Incomanti Agreement, PRIMA, to discuss common problems and propose solutions for our shared rivers. The Kingdom of Swaziland is proud to welcome you all today to our beautiful country. We dare say Swaziland is beautiful as well as South Africa, and so is Mozambique, so I don't know which is better than the other, but we do say Swaziland is also very beautiful. And therefore we welcome you to our country to further explore common problems, share experiences and lay the basis to strengthen the relationships in integrated water resource planning and implementation in a quest to foster sound transboundary cooperation amongst ourselves and our governments. Through this, a special focus is turned towards the sharing of information and acquisition of relevant knowledge and skills in the field of transboundary water management.
Representing the Dutch Water Board's Jan van Hoek emphasized that they fully support the initiative of the three countries.
A dialogue will not take place in silence, so talk with each other. As you said, 5 countries, but 1 language. Let us talk about how to deal with water.
Benson Shonga of the Komati Basin, speaking on behalf of the Kingdom of Swaziland, said the conference has come at a right time when the SADC region is faced with the consequences of El Nino. Speaking on behalf of the Republic of South Africa, Titi Malaki Nyakane pledged to support all REMCO activities. Representing the Republic of Mozambique, Castor Mapote talked about the importance of communication. Polile Maziambonga Dube reporting for Swazi TV News, Ezulwini.